What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you a live trade that I was in earlier on NQ and how this trade actually played out. If you guys are new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. I have a ton of other videos based around trading. I am on Instagram mainly throughout the day, so if you guys want to connect with me, shoot me a follow. There should be something on the screen to follow me. And if you guys are looking for a prop firm, go to Apex Trader Funding. Use this promo code and it will give you 50% off your order. And if you guys want to trade live with me, you can get 7 days free to my live trading sessions. All you have to do is click the link in the description. Now guys, let's get in my computer. Alright guys, I am currently in NQ. We're right at break even. Let me break down the reason as to why I took this trade so you guys can get a better understanding. I do like trading during other sessions like the Asia and London. As long as my setup is there, I am going to take a trade. So a couple of minutes ago, right at around, what is this, like 6 p.m. PST, I went into it when I saw price was starting to go back into this FVG right here. What I really like about this trade right now is it's in a very clear uptrend. It's easy to see that it's forming these higher highs and higher lows, and price is just pushing up. That's one of the things that I like to look for as a trader. I want to see that the trend is very easy to distinguish. I don't want to be trading in choppy markets where I look at it and I'm confused and wondering if it's going to do this or that. So it's very important that you guys are understanding the market structure. And here's a hack that I really don't tell a lot of people, but it's like one of the secrets behind my trading is candle recognition. When you guys are looking at the candles, you don't want the candles to be insanely big or very wicky. And what I like about the market right here, this market structure, is the candles are good size. There's some volume in them, but they're very small and it's not choppy. It's going in one clear direction. So as I pulled up to my charts a little bit ago, I saw that we had this high right here and this higher low. Now before these higher lows were being formed though, I saw that we had this higher high that formed a fair value gap. So if I were to go and delete this and redo it, you guys can see I'd get my rectangle. And what I would do, let me zoom in here for you guys to see a little bit better. What I did is I went from the first candle on a fair value gap. It's a 3 candlestick pattern. So we're going from the first candle's high to the third candle's low for a bullish fair value gap and then extending it into the future. Now usually what I like to see is, like I said, we have 1, 2, 3 candles. Usually I want to see the 4th, 5th, or 6th candle retrade into the fair value gap, and that's where I'm going to get my entry. And if you guys are wondering what indicator that I have to actually print these fair value gaps on my chart, you know I got you guys. Come on. Go to your indicators, type in Lux Algo, space, fair value gap right here. Once you get that, it will actually start printing these fair value gaps on your chart, so you don't have to go and mark them up. Because if you are new to the game and you don't know about FVGs, guys, this will be a game changer. You guys need to understand fair value gaps, and it's literally the best entry model that I've been using. Now, I do use the fibs as well as the fair value gap. So as I was looking at this extension from this low to this high, if I get my fibs from this low to this high right here, you guys can see that I'll give you my settings, I guess, guys. So if you guys go to my settings, take a screenshot right now. Pause the video and take a screenshot, guys, or a picture. And then also take a screenshot right now. So the key levels that I like to look for on the fibs are going to be the 0.62, 0.705, 0.79. You guys can see as price came in here and right here on this candle, notice how it tested. We're going to actually mark it up. I'm going to drag this over here to the 6.2. And then what we're also going to do is add the 705 level right here. And then we're going to delete the fibs. And you guys can see that we have the 6.2 right here. Price. Look how price came and just pinned it. Pierced right through it. And then moved away. Came, hit the 6.2 this time, and the 705 just barely hit it to a T and then moved away. So that's what really helped me with this trade as well, is getting that confirmation with the fibs. Now, the way that I like to set up my stop loss is when I see this FVG formed, like I said, 1, 2, 3 candles. My stop loss is always below the first candle that makes a fair value gap for a bullish fair value gap, and above the first candle for a bearish fair value gap. And I don't like to have it right at the wick right there. What I like to have is I like to drag it a little bit lower in case it wants to retest. Okay, so that's how I have my stop loss. You guys can see I'm in this trade right now, in profit, up 100 or $650, $700 right here. What I'm really waiting for to give me the confirmation that price wants to move to my TP is I need to see this wick right here. I need to see a candle, the body of the candle engulf this wick right here. So I need a candle, the body of it, to close higher than this resistance right here, and that will give me confirmation that it wants to continue to push up. So what I'm going to do is extend this, and I'm going to lock this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this recording. I'm going to go do my thing. And then once this trade either goes to my take profit or my stop loss, I'll start re-recording again and show you like the outcome of this trade, guys. So let's see what happens. It looks like price is trying to deliver to that resistance and break it. Overall, we are in an uptrend, like it's supposed to be pushing up. It's not something like, oh my God, it's pushing up, I'm in profit. Like, no, I'm expecting this to happen. And the way that I trade is I'm very robotic, guys. I am very emotionless. I'm not putting my emotions on the line, freaking out when it's going up, when it's going down. I'm just very nonchalant, very calm and at peace when I'm trading, guys. So I'll remind you guys in a second. I'll show you guys my screen in just a second on what happens with this trade. Alright guys, just got back from my walk with my dog. I was literally cooking quesadillas with some fresh chicken and cheese, and I look at my trading view on my phone. I'm like, oh my gosh, this thing's hitting TP. Look guys, TP has been delivered. $5,700 trading live. Guys, I broke down the exact setup, what I look for in the markets, and if you review this video right here like 10, 20 fucking times, and you look over and you go to the charts and you apply the information, and if you're really serious, you join my live trading sessions, guys, you're going to level up your trading. I am here to help every single one of you, but closed mouths don't get fed. So if you want real help, dude, is it going to cost money? Is there going to be an investment? Yeah, for sure. Like, it costs money to make money, and people don't value things that are free. Let's just be real. Secondly, if you guys like want to do the live trading with me, I have that. But guys, just realize that I broke down everything in this video. If you use what I taught you, you go apply it on the chart, you're going to see some amazing results. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Not a lot of people made it to the end of the video, but you did. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Also, comment below. I want to know who you guys are and how I can help you guys out with your trading. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping weekly videos every single week on trading to help you guys out. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.